I'm Dana Obelman, creator of No Sweat Potty Training, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about nighttime potty training. And basically, the first thing I want to say about that is not to worry about it right away. Basically, goal number one is to just teach your child how to use the potty during the day, how to wipe properly, how to wash their hands afterwards, how to get their pants up and down by themselves. Again, like I stress in the book, your goal here is to create potty independence, meaning I wouldn't call yourself 100% successful until your child is going to the bathroom all by themselves without your help or assistance. And you might even encourage them to get to the point where they don't even need to tell you they have to go to the bathroom, that if they feel it, off they go and can do that all on their own. That's true success. And that can take a week, it could take 2, it might even take 4 or 6 if to really feel like you've gotten to the point where your child has mastered this. It's a skill just like anything else, so keep that in mind. You wouldn't expect total mastery if you were teaching your child to swim or ride a bike or learn to read. And so the same philosophy should be held with potty training. Now, as far as nights go, there are lots of children who really struggle with bedwetting and nighttime issues, and it has more to do with their development than anything else. And so I just want to caution you to not put a lot of pressure on a child for nighttime. Definitely don't offer any kind of consequence or punishment for having an accident in the night. Then you might find you need to keep the pull-ups going even for another 6 months or sometimes even a year after, if your child's just not developmentally ready to go the night. And it's basically that the brain is not communicating the message, or the body's not getting the messages through to the brain and waking that child up so that they can go to the washroom. And a lot of children sleep very deeply, and that message just doesn't get through. So not to worry, okay, but a couple of things that you can do to encourage it. I can remember with our daughter in particular that basically 3 or 4 days into potty training, I noticed that her diapers were no longer wet in the morning. And so I thought, you know what, I think she can do this. And we just went right into underwear for nights as well, and she did great. I don't even remember any accidents in the night. And so if you are finding that your child's diaper or pull-up is dry in the morning, then go ahead, celebrate that and say, wow, your diaper is dry every morning. I don't think you need to wear these anymore at all. And just go with that. And it's a good idea to get yourself a crib, waterproof crib mattress, so that just in case there is an accident, you're not ruining your mattress. So keep that in mind and have some spare sheets available just in case, and really trust that your child can do this and that it's okay to go ahead with it. Now, one of the things that you might find is, and you know your child better than anyone, and you might find that they've been doing really well with their daytime potty training. They're still waking up with some wet pull-ups in the night, but it might be just the fact that they're kind of too lazy to get up and go to the bathroom, or they really don't mind having a wet diaper in the night, and so there's no incentive to stop doing it. And so you might want to try again. I want to stress not to punish or give negative consequences for any accidents that happen in the night, but I would try periodically to say, hey, you know what, for the next week, let's try underwear at night, and if you can make it through the night, in the morning you can have your reward. And again, be ready, have sheets ready, have waterproof mattress cover, and you might have to change a few accidents in the night, have jammies ready so that you can make that fairly quick if that happens, and give it a week and see if you're making any progress. If by the end of the week you've noticed that he's gone a few nights without having an accident, then I would carry it on and just say, wow, you've done such a great job. Let's keep going with this and see if you can get through the night without having accidents. and you might find that that's that little push, it's just a little push might be enough to get your child experiencing how it feels to go the night without their pull-up or their diaper. Okay, so that's my advice on nighttime training. Like I said, please don't get too anxious about it. That for some kids, it just really is a matter of outgrowing it, and eventually they'll get there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.